What is up, guys? Jordan. What is up, guys? Jordan here. Today we have 25,000 Madden cash. We're gonna be opening tons of Easter stuff. Let's head straight into this with the big bundle. So let's start off. First pack. What are we gonna get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Easter eggs, and that's it. So this is really hard to do. I saved up all my money for a long time to do this, and I'm hoping to get some good players for you guys. Probably gonna do a couple sets after. Oh, there we go. Our first Easter player, 84 Lyle Collins. He has really good impact block, I think. Yeah, 97. Okay, I'm hoping to get some elites. I have no idea what the topper contains, so I didn't really look at it. I just bought it. So, if you guys are enjoying this content, leave a like, maybe some comments. We need all the support I can get to keep doing YouTube, really. So, we are just closing in on just past the halfway mark, including the topper. And we have got, oh, that's not good. That position collectible is not good. Campus Hero. I wasn't expecting Campus Hero in this thing at all. These packs suck. To say the least, these packs actually suck. Oh my god. So, I don't know what's in the bundle topper. I think it's 3 elites with the top chance of a yeah, it is chance of a really good player. So oh, that was really bad. Okay, there's bundle number 1. We're gonna exit out and we're gonna go back in. Then we're gonna open bundle number 2. This is, first elite of an actual pack. 91 Logan Ryan. Doesn't update my team because I already have him in. Oh my god, and a Victor Cruz. Holy crap. Last pack of this bundle. Oh my god, that was horrendous. Topper. Absolutely nothing. Next bundle of the same one. You can open it one by one, hoping for an elite. And nothing. I'm gonna not look at the screen for this one. Okay, Jeremy Lane. See you. That's it. Oh, this is horrendous. Oh, Marshall Falkier. That's actually sells for a good amount. Let's see if this bundle topper can be a bit better. Nope. Final bundle. Then we're gonna go on to the singular packs. Wow, for some reason that feels actually like a half decent pack. Not really sure though. I'm gonna go do some sets right after this. Show you guys the sets that we can do. So, this is really bad. Last bundle topper. Okay. Those packs were absolutely atrocious. Now we're gonna go on to the 4 Easter packs. No bundles. I don't feel like we got anything good at all this whole entire pack opening, really. We need to get some better players. Like a lot better players. Oh, okay, one more. Now we're gonna open the Easter Pro Pack. that's, I have 8,000 Madden cash left. So now I'm gonna go through the sets. Exchange collectible here. Gold or better Easter player. We're gonna do this. Let's see what we get. Nothing. Easter basket. I'm gonna do this because I only need a couple in it. This is actually a really good reward pack. If it wants to load, there we go. So, nothing. So I'm gonna do this now. Get some elite Easter players. J.R. Sweezy, have him in my team actually. He's actually really good. Surprised to say he's actually good. Oh, crap. That's actually a decent 91 overall. Gold Easter player. 1 gold Easter player. For the J.R. Sweezy. Another J.R. Sweezy. Wes Welker. Victor Cruz. Mr. Colston. Oh, we need a lot for this. Probably not gonna finish this, so I'm just gonna sell some of the players probably. Gold Easter player. Oh, these are tons of eggs. That's all we can really do for now. Oh god, I'm just realizing now how many players we have. I'm gonna do a large quick sell for you guys. I just gotta go put, I'm gonna put what I can in the large quick sells. I'm gonna go do a couple 10 trophy packs. Holy crap, I have a lot of golds. Claim. Okay, I think we can actually do it right now after 1 large quick sell. Might do 2. I don't know. I can't do it. 1 bronze trophy. I think I have a bronze trophy in here. Yeah, I do. Let's do a large quick sell. I get nothing off camera. I get 10, 5, and 1Ks. Yeah. There you can see my luck. I might do 1 or 2 more. Okay, just put them in. Oh my god. This was around $200 to do. So I'm gonna see if I can do more of these for you guys. You guys gotta show some support here. I just need some gold trophies. There we go. I need 1 more. So I'm just gonna do 1 more 10 trophy pack. And that would be the end of the video. After we do a large quick sell here. We need 1 gold trophy, then we're doing large quick sells. We can do large quick sells. Well, large quick sell. So 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow, I can do a couple. Can I do another one? Do you guys want me to do another one? 5. You can't end it on 5. I'm gonna do another one. I'm a gambler. I have nothing to lose. Yeah? Okay. Sorry. My mom called me. I had to go off camera for a second. Get this thing done. Then I'm gonna go sell all the players. If I have 100, that's 100k plus. So 1, 2, 3. Last large quick sell of the day. What I do as a very small YouTuber. It's insane. 25k. So this will be the end of the video. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and peace.